All right, y'all. Y'all hang in there. Y'all are almost there. Let's just recap before we finish up, okay? So, our end goal, guys, is to solve a question like this. What values of x make this inequality true? Well, the inequality says 28 minus x is greater than 6 times x minus 4. Okay, so I want to know when this 28 minus x is greater than or bigger than this number, or 6x times minus 4. So what I'm going to do to solve this, guys, I'm gonna start by graphing the stuff I see on the left side. I'm going to graph this 28 minus x, right? Boom. I have it. Notice that you can't see your graph, guys. If you can't see your graph when you graph it, try zooming out. And if that still doesn't work, then check your equation. You might have typed it wrong, okay? So I graphed the first one. Now let me graph the second one, the other side of the inequality. So in the second line, I'm going to say y equals 6x minus 4. Okay? So now what do I want to find out, guys? I want to know what values of x make this inequality true, or what x's make the left side, the 28 minus x, greater than the 6x minus 4. Well, let's notice, guys, the 28 minus x is this red line right here. This is my 28 minus x, the red line. And the 6x minus 4 is the blue line. So when is the red above the blue line? Guys, the red line is above the blue line all the way, while I'm dragging my point all the way till right here. At this point right here, they are the same. And then after this point, the red line starts being below. So how do I describe this solution, guys? Well, first, find the point where they meet up. The point where they meet up is right here, right? X equals 7.249. I think. Yes, that's the point where they meet up. But I don't want to say that's not my solution, guys, because that would be my solution if this is an equation. This is an inequality, though. So what numbers do I want? I want the numbers to the left of that. So I'm going to say x is less than 7.249. Okay? That is all you do to solve, guys. So find, graph the stuff on the left of the inequality, graph the expression on the right of the inequality, and then determine on which side of this equilibrium point, or where they meet up, does the inequality hold true. Sound good? If you have any more questions, guys, please just let your teacher